Then that's that. I'll carve up your scrawny ass even more!
I'm here to go beyond my limit, not to compromise. And you can tell me if I mean it, looking in my eyes. Cause I've been waiting for my moment to strike. So come close, let me show you what it's like. Yeah, you can try to stand in my path, but you're gonna regret it. I'll be the one who laughs last while I'm making my exit. Cause this is only for the song of heart, not if you did it. And no matter what the outcome, you better accept it. I'm on a mission, we got everything to gain. To become everything you're not, you just give it all you got and take the pleasure with the pain. Yeah, I can feel my fire awaken on top of being complacent. There's a dream on the horizon, you know we gotta chase it. And when we get to where we're going, when we start the invasion, that's me, now you must be mistaken. You know I'll turn you into rocks, grind you right down to dust. You thought you were the best, well, you wasn't that. Call me the hurricane, I'm not letting it go, cause it's all it's the end of the show. Hear them, they're calling your name.
Did that rotten old geezer ever teach you?